Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you how I add a stacked avatar here on this community. So we have items here and we can see we have the person who submitted it, and then the amount of comments, the amount of views. I already have a video about that, and now I want to also add the stacked avatars. Maybe I will add it here, maybe here. We'll see how it goes. Okay, I'll do it with you live. So this is how we do it. First of all, we have to have the avatars on the data. Okay, so I go to items, and you can see that with the connection, I made a connection to the items. Now I have the name of the people who posted. Now I also have the avatar. This is a lookup. Lookup. If you don't know how to do connections and lookups, there's another video about that. So you can see I already have the avatars here. Okay, so all I need now is just to choose the right primitive to show it. So again, as I like, I'm going to make a duplicate here just so that I can easily replace it. Click on it, replace. And now there's two ways to do stacked avatars. You can do it with stacked avatar primitive. And now we need to choose the right data. So let's see. I think it's this one. I didn't do a good job giving it a good name. Okay, here we go. This works. You can see that it's stacking the avatars. There's another way to do stacked avatars. It's using array renderer. This one. But now you need to choose again. You need to choose the right item, and you need to choose the right rendering. So in this case, I'm going to choose avatars, and again I have the same result. See? But the other one I liked it a little more. It has like a nice hover effect, so I'm going to keep with the other one. Okay, these are just nuances. I do like that it's a little bit smaller here than the other one, so it looks not like this one. It looks a little different. So but anyway, you have two ways to do it. You can do it either way. I think I'm going to stick with the other one. Here we go. But now it looks a bit busy, so maybe I want to move it to this side. So I'm going to find it here on the navigator, and I want to move it here. So I'm going to just grab it, and now it's showing up here. Okay? Thank you.